friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and hands-on review of the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2 earphones. So along with the release of or launch of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, OnePlus also announced these new earphones. These are the Bullet Wireless 2, that's the version 2 earphones. So last year Bullet Wireless was announced with really good features. Now we have the upgraded variants, the version 2 with lots of upgrades. Now the pricing has also been increased to 5,999 in India. That means 6,000 rupees in India is the cost of the Bullet Wireless 2. So first we'll unbox this and we'll show you what all comes inside. Then we'll actually talk about the features of the Bullet Wireless 2. So this is the box package, and you can see the technical specifications mentioned here. The Bullet Wireless 2, we have the black variant with us, and this also has Qualcomm's aptX HD sound technology, and this one is now available on OnePlus website for 5,999. So let's get started with first the unbox. So opening up the box, so you can see the red box. The box packaging looks quite similar to the previous one. So you can see here free your music, and let's open this. So there you go. So you can see that additional set of ear tips and the Bullet Wireless as well. So you can see that it has a neat case included, and you can just take this out as well. So you can see that there are 4 additional tips. So that means 2 pairs of additional tips, ear tips are included, and they are different in size. And now we have the actual Bullet Wireless 2. So let's just take. So you can see that the design has been slightly changed, and overall looks also really good. So you can see that that's the Bullet Wireless 2. So you can see that this looks really good. It's a neat earphone, and this has been improved. The design aspect has been improved. The build quality also looks pretty good. It's a glossy finish out there, and the ear tips are also pretty good. It has a magnetic mechanism where when you press this, it stops the music playback, and it is supported on almost all devices. So you can just take this out. So this is the case which is included with this. So this has been the case with the other the Bullet Wireless, the initial wireless earphones as well. So inside the box you get a charging cable. This is for the warp charging. So this supports actually fast charging. So you can charge this using this cable. Then let's see what else comes inside. So this has probably the manual and other information. So there you go. That's the Bullet Wireless 2 manual included. So that's every other detail is mentioned here in the manual. So that's the Bullet Wireless 2 version from OnePlus. So the primary design hasn't changed much. You can see the neckband, the controls, and the earphone. So that has not been changed, but the build quality looks really good. It has been a slight design changes for the ear tips as well. So it has this magnetic material, and it also comes with a glossy finish. And you can also see the controls here: volume up and down control, the play button, and here also we have the option to power on, and this is the charging option. So this is supporting the fast charging, warp charging is supported, and a few other options are included. We'll talk about that in a while. Now coming to the main features. So unlike the previous version which had the dual driver, now we have a triple driver, and we have a 10mm dynamic driver included, and it also has Qualcomm's aptX HD support. So previous version had just the aptX support. Now we have HD support as well. So that means the sound quality is drastically improved, and even when you're receiving calls, this looks really good. The call quality as well looks pretty good. Now when you listen to songs on this the earphone, that's where the major change happens. So you can actually feel the sound quality improvement when compared to the previous Bullet Wireless. The bass performance is also really good, and also the overall sound quality with the Qualcomm's aptX HD looks really good. So that's one of the major change with the triple driver and Qualcomm's aptX HD technology. The overall sound output feels really nice. The bass has been improved, and overall feels nice for people who love to listen to songs. Now other features include when you are connected to more than one device. So that means if you are connected to 2 devices, the earphones, what you can do is just double tap this, and you can actually switch from one device to another without having to manually pair it. So that's one additional feature included. This also has support for Google Assistant, so you can actually do voice search with this earphone. Now talking about the battery life, so this device, this earphone comes with around 14 hours of playback. That's what the company claims, but you can get around 10 to 12 hours easily with these earphones. Another important aspect is that even actually when you attach these with the magnetic tip, the battery, the Bluetooth earphones actually power off. This has Bluetooth version 5.0, so that power off then when it actually detaches, it actually powers on. But the advantage with the new wireless version 2 is that even when it is detached, it will wait for 5 minutes to see if there is any music playback from the connected Bluetooth device. That means if it is from laptop or smartphones, it will actually wait for 5 minutes whether there is any music playback. And if there is no music playback, it actually turns off, that thereby saving battery. That's an added feature with this version 2. So you can expect a battery life of around 12 hours. And another important thing is that there is warp charging included, so you can actually charge these earphones in less than around 20 to 25 minutes, and 10 minutes of charging will give you 10 hours of music playback. That's really impressive. So that warp charging which we found on the 7 Pro and the 7 is now coming to the Bullet Wireless 2 as well. So overall the charging and battery performance is really good, apart from the sound quality which has this Qualcomm's aptX HD and triple drivers. So that was the unboxing and hands-on review of the new Bullet Wireless 2 earphones from OnePlus. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.